Alright guys, this is my Porsche 996 and I have a very annoying problem with it. So when I open the door, the window does not come down. Now as you can imagine, this is highly annoying. Now if you pull the handle, you can hear something work inside. So it's like it's trying to work, but it doesn't. So in this video, I'm going to hopefully fix this problem. So as you can see here, there's a lot of slack in that window, far too much. So I need to get to the bottom of that and work out exactly why it's doing this. So the first thing I need to do is whip this door card off and see exactly what's going on. Right, I've got a selection of tools out. I'm not exactly sure what I need. I'm just going to crack on and see what happens. So I know you need to take this airbag badge out first. So I'm just going to use a plastic tool to carefully get that out. There you go. That's out first, a little airbag symbol. Behind there is looks like a 5mm Allen key. I've used a Torx 25, fits perfectly. Wouldn't recommend that. Behind the door handle is a Phillips PH2. There we go. There's a couple of little plastic clips behind this little glove compartment. I think that's it though, just the one. Ow, that's really hot, that interior light. So, door light removed, that just pops out. And then, oh, this needs to come out. I just unhooked. It's actually broken, so I need to try and repair that. It's quite annoying, so that one's gluing back on there, or plastic welding back on, but I can do that. This handle, again, plastic tool behind it, and this just carefully pops off. Now this should apply for a Porsche 986 as well as the 996. The Boxer as well, of this generation. Should be exactly the same. So 2 Torx 30s behind here. Very long Torx 30s. Right. And then once you've got the bottom off, you just tap it upwards. Kind of sits on the seal at the top. Like so, and off it comes. Right, now this is off, I'm just going to carefully remove this cable. A couple of clips hold it on. This is for the door handle. And stuff. Right, now this is off. Let's see what we can find. There's lots of play somewhere. I'm not sure where though. I'm hoping it's going to be quite obvious. So these 3 bolts here hold the motor on. I'm just going to pull it down and have a look, see if I can see anything obvious. Because so far, although this feels like there's play in the system, I can't see anything wrong with it. I was hoping it was going to be like a bad cable or, you know, a bit of a pulley or loose or something like that, but I can't see anything so far. So let's dig a little bit deeper. Right, I can't really see anything obviously wrong with it. However, I do know the door's closed. If I lift the handle up, the motor kind of turns a little bit. So I'm not sure if it's just a bit of play in the cable somewhere or there's play in the motor. This is an aftermarket window regulator, so I'm not sure. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the window and the window regulator out and have a proper look on the bench, I think. So there's a couple of screws, one there and one there. They hold the window into place. So they kind of clamp it on and slacken them off. one window. And now we've got 4 10mm holding the window regulator in. So there's a nut here. Another one here. And then there's 2 underneath here. Now there's a couple of grommets. Can't really see them very well, but they're just at the bottom of the door. Pull the grommet off. Again, 10mm nuts. Right, that should now awkwardly come out. So this is the reg. I'm expecting to kind of find some place somewhere, although I can't really. A little bit there, so we'll try and sort that out. There's a little bit of play in these fittings here, so what I'm going to do to test the process, I'm going to space them out with some cable ties, just to see if that makes a difference. Not sure if it will, but it's worth a go. Right, that's taken a while. However, I've taken some of the slack out, so let's see what happens. Window back in, because I think I may have fixed it. So, moment of truth. If I pretend to lock the door, which you have done, pop it open, does the window drop? And it does. Lock it, goes up, open it, and it drops. Beautiful. So, window up, as you can see, and it's dropped. Up, down, up, down. Beautiful. I'm very, very chuffed with that. So now I need to quickly box it back up. And that is another job done. Right, now the window's sorted, I'm going to put it all back together. And there we go, guys, all done. Right, I hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully come in really handy for some of you 996 and 986 owners. If you like this kind of content, please show support by hitting the subscribe button, liking the video, and leaving a comment. I'll be back next week, guys, with some more Aston content, so see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.